This abandoned puppy was wandering hopelessly by the roadside, scared and alone, with no idea where to go. That's when a kind man spotted him and immediately stepped in to help. He offered the puppy a tasty treat to build trust, then gently carried him to a nearby vet. The vet checked his heartbeat, temperature, and overall health. Thankfully, the puppy was okay, but his rescue didn't stop there. The man took him home, gave him more milk, cleaned his dirty fur, and wrapped him up safely. If this story warmed your heart, comment a red heart below.